The Nikon Z30, you can power this camera multiple ways using the USB power, but you always need a battery in the camera. That's not ideal. In my case, I would prefer just to use a DC coupler with an AC adapter. So I contacted F1TP. They have sent me adapters in the past. They work fine. I'm actually using one right now with the Sony a6000. Use it for hours and hours and hours doing live streams. It's worked just fine. So in that case, they sent me F1TP EP5G AC adapter kit for the Nikon Z30. Let's take a look at it. Obviously not much to it. You're going to have the DC coupler, AC adapter, and power cable. Power cable, nice link to it. Strips here for keeping it tidy. Here's a DC coupler. On one side, you've got what goes into the battery compartment. On the back, you can orientate the cable as needed. Obviously, this needs to be the same shape and size as a battery. On the camera battery door, there is a gasket towards the back of the camera. You have to pull out so that there is an opening on the bottom. Once you do that, you should be set up to put in the DC coupler. You can see the DC coupler inside the Z30. It's locked into place with the yellow tab, and then you can route the cable. You have your port open in the battery door. Fits in without any issue. Nice that it is detachable from the rest of the AC adapter kit. Very simple setup: power cable, AC adapter, DC coupler with the connection point between the two. The DC coupler does not interfere with the memory card, so we're all good there. AC adapter plugged into the camera. You can see power is going to the AC adapter itself. You can see it's recording as it should. Doing some type of USB power solution with this setup, having to have the battery in the camera all the time doesn't seem ideal. In my case, I'm going to attach the AC adapter to one of the legs of the tripod. It's just going to work, sit there, be ready for action when I need to use the Z30 on this rig. Keep in mind that F1TP did send me this AC adapter at my request to make the video on. Scott Trophy Bonsai, thanks.